Yo, what's up, guys? It's International O back at it with another one. Long day. I had to work. I hit on the Yeezys, Citrins at 3 stores. I hit at Champs, I hit at Footlocker, and I hit at Dick's. The weird part about with Dick's Sporting Goods, I won on the raffle, so pick it up today. This is a Monday. Dick's Sporting Goods tell you have to be at their store between 7 a.m. and 10 a.m. to pick up your shoe, as if I don't have to work. So if you had to work, you either had to leave work early or go to work late to get your shoe, or you don't get it. So I passed on it. Unfortunately, I tried to call them and see if there was something they could do or if I could have someone go pick it up. They said no, didn't go get it. They told me that was Adidas's rule with their store on the pickup procedure. So Adidas, that was a little strange for a work day. You might want to clear that one up. Shout out to the good people at Footlocker. Footlocker gives you till 6 p.m. like normal people that have jobs. So, yeah. So I was able to go to Footlocker on my lunch break and pick these up without losing time. You see how that works? So let's get to it. This is actually my first time seeing them in hand. These are nice. I like how it has 2 colors on the shoe. So it's kind of like a creamish color on one side and kind of like a green. On this side, it's kind of almost like a greenish, like a mint color on this side. And then on the other side, it's more like a tannish color. And then you see these laces. These are pretty different. These are pretty dope. I will say that I don't care for these laces. I'm not a fan of these laces. Like they're different from the black ones. You see the black ones, it has the kind of like the 3M laces, but it's more rope. These are that smooth. I don't know, they just look cheesy on these. Have to be honest. The laces on these look a little cheesy to me, and I'm not really feeling it. But I mean, overall, the shoe is dope. I do like these colors, even though it would be nice if Yeezy started adding some more colors, because all these are starting to look the same. These look like landmarks to a lot of people. I've never seen the landmarks in hand. I didn't win them. Well, I didn't win them. I didn't submit for them. But these are pretty okay, though. I can rock these out. What I did like about these is that gum bottom. I like gum bottoms on Yeezys. These are dope. I don't have the green glows because they fit tight and I didn't like the way they fit, but I do like these with the gum bottom. Like I said, overall, I like the shoe. It's just these laces I'm not a big fan of. But aside from that, man, these shoes are a go and they will be rocked probably to work this week. Casual day on Friday with jeans. I probably rock these. But that's pretty much it, man. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Go to thesneakertribune.com. Dope content, dope editorials, videos, bunch of hookups on there, deals, steals, everything your heart could desire. And that's pretty much it. So I appreciate you guys tuning in. Until the next release, you guys be cool.